Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the products that came in my January's Boxycharm. So I haven't been on here for a while. I do want to update you guys on what has been going on with me and why I have been absent on here and probably all my social media. But yeah, so this box is $21 each month, $100 or more worth of products. So I'm really thankful that Boxycharm sends me this box each month so I can do videos for you guys. So this month's theme is called Rock 2018. Really pretty. You get 5 products this month. So I'm going to use this Pores No More Illuminizer Primer. I'm going to use this one all over my face. So it feels a little bit sticky. I feel like maybe the foundation is going to stick on the face really good. So I'm going to go in with my foundation really quick. So the next item here in my Boxycharm is this It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It is $24. It says Universal Tube. Usually the type of color is really light on my eyebrows. Let's see if this one looks good. So this is a two-sided pencil. It has the pencil on one side and then it has the brush on the other side. So this is how it looks. I rather have darker eyebrows. It doesn't get any darker, so maybe this is just a good pencil when I am not wearing any makeup. So I'm just gonna draw in my eyebrows with my black eyebrow gel. This is way too light for me. For this month we get another eyeshadow palette. I don't buy any more eyeshadow palettes because they send so many. This one is a Glam Metals palette from Crown Pro and it is $25. It comes in a sleeve like this. It has 9 colors. Look at the mirror. So cute. It's a guitar. Definitely goes with the theme. So we have like 2 gray ones in here. I'm going to use Heavy Metal. I'm going to use Punk. I'm going to put it like in my inner corner. I'm going to use Wild Thing. And I'm just going to put it on my outer V. And I'm going to go with the Wicked and overlay it on top of the other one. So I'm gonna go with Wicked and Wild Things and put it under my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna use Pop Rock. So I'm gonna finish up doing my eyeliner and my eyelashes. And this one is a lip plumper. I have never ever owned a lip plumper, so I'm a little bit scared. So this is from Grande Cosmetics and Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. It is $27. So it's supposed to work within 3 to 5 minutes. So let's see if it works. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. And I'll show you guys if it works or not. The last item in my Boxycharm. You guys, this is so sad. It's like the mail people just bring my package and then they just throw it in the front door. They don't even care. This is a Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette from Pure Cosmetics. This one is $34. This one is really orange. It's like a bright coral orange. I'm not sure if I would use this one, but this highlighter is really nice. And then the bronzer, I think I can even use it as a highlight. It looks really nice. So I am going to be using these 2 shades. I'm not sure about the orange one, but I am going to be using these. The highlight is really nice. I overdid it with the bronzer. Oh well. At least you guys know that it works. A little bit does go a long way. So yeah, so the lips. Let's see how the lips look. So I didn't see any difference with the lips. The only thing that I do feel is like a little bit tingling sensation, like just a little bit, but nothing too weird. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use a different lip product on top of it and finish my look. Just a neutral lip, so it doesn't look weird with the eyeshadow. And yes, this is a complete look. So I really hope that you enjoyed my makeup look. I'm going to be unboxing half a year of Boxycharm. I haven't really been uploading, so I wanted to include a quick unboxing of these boxes. I did open 2 of them and then I did took out a primer of one of these boxes. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly go through them and show you guys what I got. at all these Boxycharms. So I'm gonna start with the oldest one, and this one is from March 2017. This one was the box that I took out the primer. This theme is creepy cute. You got 5 products from here. Like I said, I got the primer, but I took it out because I really needed it. The photo finish primer from Smashbox. This box is really good. You get an eyeliner. This one is a really oh, this one's like a pretty purple color. Really nice. It's really creamy. So I also got a brush from Crown. This is really fluffy. It's a fan brush, really nice. And a lipstick from Real Her Lady Love, and it's a matte lipstick, and I got it in the shade I Will Succeed. Oh, this is a really nice packaging. Yes, this is a really nice shade. And the last thing on my March Boxycharm is this Naked Cosmetics. What is it? Like a little palette. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh, those are really nice colors. So the next box is from April 2017. This one feels really chunky. Boho Glow. And I also got 5 products in this box. This one is really cute. I really love the theme, Boho Glow. Little huevitos. You get 3 sponges, 3 beauty blenders, the 3-piece contour blending sponges. This is from Pure Cosmetics. So I also got a hair guard with strawberry banana smoothing shampoo. I really love these, and they smell really good. This is such a cute packaging, pink with checkered black and white. Really cute. So, and this is from Allegory Story Cosmetics. It has little clouds. Super cute. Alright, so I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not really into lip gloss, so I can probably give it away. So then I have a highlighter from Ofra. Oh, this is moving. Okay, the thing fell off. But oh my god, this is a really nice color called Rodeo Dry. This is a highlighter from Ofra. The last thing in this box is this it's a contour palette from Measurable Difference. Oh, and it has a lot of colors. I'm gonna open this one because I will most likely use this. Ooh, it has a lot of shades. That one was a really good box. Now from Maze Boxycharm. The theme was Makeup is Art. You also get 5 products. This is an eyebrow brush. So good. I don't even know how to open it. I really love this brand. And this is the brow brush from Broga. Okay, I see how this is. It's a little palette for your eyebrows. It says brown hair convertible brow from the Broga. This looks really weird. What is this? The round contour brush by Crown Pro. Looks really soft. Oh, this feels really nice. I really love the bristles in this. So this is a Temp 2X Liquid Glow. It's a Liquid Glow highlighter. Ugh, it's falling, you guys. It's so liquidy. So this is how it looks. We get another highlight and contour palette. This one is from IBY Beauty. It has really nice shades. These are definitely good for me. So I'm excited to use this one as well. This is for the month of June. And let's see what's in here. It has lots of goodies. So the theme of this is called Downtown Charm. So I got the long lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra Cosmetics. The shade looks really nice. This is a Rose Gold Pro Precision Tapered Face Brush. This is really fluffy. And then you get the Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture. So this one is a really nice color. So that one can be as a highlight. Real Her, and this is an eyeshadow palette 1, 2, or 3. I got the 2. These are definitely my shades. These are really nice shades, really beautiful shades. So I'm going to swatch this because this is my colors. That's oh my god, this is really pigmented. Oh, that's really nice. Super nice. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite palettes. We get some facial mask from Biobella Cosmetics. So this was a really good box, you guys. You guys, these 3 shades that I swatched are so pretty. Now I'm going into July's Boxycharm. This is the theme. It's called Cutie Pie. Something broke in here, and then whatever is broken here is such a gorgeous color. So this is a eyebrow pencil. Okay, this is a dark color. You have to like really press on it. So this one is a Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil from Winky Looks. Look at the packaging. ColourPop Ultra Matte, and this is in the color Beeper. I keep buying it over and over and over because it is my favorite lipstick from ColourPop. This is the one I use all the time, every single day. This is my #1 lipstick that I go for. This is Spray Set and Go from Project Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So this is from Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. You guys, this is nice, nice. I always use translucent powder, matte and glow. The other one is the Electric Ice Palette by Blink, $45. That one is gonna be the one that is broken. Oh no, 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 it's so broken. So this one and this one are broken. This one was a really nice shade. I'm not sure about this one, but it has the shades that I usually go for. So I'm gonna see if I can save any of this. But this is a cute little palette. The packaging feels really nice. It even has Boxycharm logo on the front. So this one is from last month, December 2017. This one was the last one from last year. Glitz Glam. Really cute theme. And this is the box. Get a brush from Crown. I really love these brushes. They're really nice and soft. This one's white. They're always black, but this one is white now. You get a mascara from Tarte. Look at the packaging. Oh, this really looks really nice and elegant. I really like these type of brushes. These are the ones that give volume to my eyelashes. From Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar. I don't even know how you say it. Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar. My lips are sealed lightweight liquid lips. Packaging is so pretty. Finish is metallic. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm really not into metallic. They don't look really nice on my lips. So you get this little bronze palette from Beauty Basics. It's really nice. Oh look, you guys, this is so pretty. Oh, really nice. It's a really nice color. And then the last thing is this Real Her Be Fearless Be Limitless Blush Kit. Should I even open this one? I don't really use blush, but I'm gonna open it. That looks really nice. It has 3 shades: Fearless, Limitless, and Unstoppable. I would probably use this one because it's more of a nude pink, but these are like way too bright. These are way too bright, but this is still a nice palette to have. I don't have a lot of blushes because I don't use them. So this is my collective Boxycharm unboxing. I'm really sorry that I went through these really fast, but so I feel relieved that I opened them. Now I can use all these products. You guys, I can't even believe I took this long to open them because Boxycharm always has good products. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry this was kind of a long video. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna edit this. Thank you so much. I will see you guys till next video. Bye. Now I have all this makeup to put back. Hay un cochinero aquí en mi color.